Hello my dear children, welcome to mathematics class. Today we are studying expanded form of decimals. Already you know the expanded form of whole numbers. How can we write it? Yes, write the place value of each digit with the plus symbol. That's all. Similarly, we can write the expanded form of decimal numbers also. We should write the place value of each of the digits. In between this, we should write plus symbol also. Okay? Now we can start. The first question, 38.649. Here, before the decimal point, the first place is in ones place, 3 is in tens place. Therefore, its place value 3 tens. That is 30 plus 8 ones is what? 8 itself. Okay. Now, after the decimal point, the first place, we should denote the places by small letters. Just after the decimal point, this is 10th, 100th, 1000th. Now, how can we write its place value? 6 is in 10th place, therefore it is 6 by 10, plus 4 is in 100th place, therefore it is 4 by 100, plus 9 is in 1000th place, therefore it is 9 by 1000. Okay, this is the place value of each of the digits, and the expanded form is what? 30 plus 8 plus 6 by 10 plus 4 by 100 plus 9 by 1000. Similar way, we can write the expanded form of the other numbers also. 0.563. Here the whole number is only 0. We can write it as 0 itself. If we are not writing also, there is no problem. Plus 5 is in 10th place. 6 is in 100th. 3 is in 1000th. Therefore, how can we write its place value? 5 is in 10th, that is 5 by 10, plus 6 is in 100th, 6 by 100, plus 3 is in 1000th, therefore its place value is what? 3 by 1000. Okay? Now, we can do the next one. We can write its place value, place above this. Okay, first 6 is in ones place, 0 is in tens place, 4 is in hundreds place. Whole number part, the places should be denoted by capital letters, and the decimal part, the places should be denoted by small letters. Therefore, 7 is in 10th, 0 is in 100th, and 2 is in 1000th. 400. Okay, 4 is in hundreds place, that is why 400. Plus 0 tens, 0, we can leave. Or if we are writing 0 also, no problem. Next 6 ones, that is 6 itself, plus 7 is in 10th place, that is 7 by 10, plus 0 is in 100th. At any place, the place value of 0 is what? 0 itself. Next 2 is in 1000th, therefore its place value is what? 2 by 1000. Now the last question for you, 0.42. Here, the whole number is 0. If we are leaving also, no problem. I have written here 0 itself. Plus 4 is in which place? 10th. 2 is in 100th. Therefore, its place value 4 is in 10th. That is 4 by 10. Plus 2 is in 100th. Therefore, it is 2 by 100. Okay. This is the expanded form of these numbers. Now we can learn, if we are getting an expanded form, how to write its standard form. Standard form means the given expanded form, we have to write it as a single number. Okay, we can do it now. Dear children, when we change an expanded form into standard form, first we should add the whole number parts only. Just after the whole number, you should put a decimal point. Don't forget this. First add the whole numbers. After the whole number, you should put a decimal point. Then you have to do it carefully. You have to check whether the places are given or not. 10th place, 100th place, 1000th place. If these places are given, write this in order. If any of the place is not given, in between the given digits, you should write there 0. Now we can go through these examples. First one, 200 plus 20 plus 7. Here, ones place, tens place, hundreds place, all are given. Okay, 200 plus 20 plus 7 is what? 227. Just after the whole number, put a decimal point. Next, 10th place it is given. 10th place the digit is 1. 100th the digit is 3. And 1000 the digit is 4. Therefore the standard form of this question is what? 227.134. In between this, if any place is not given, what to do? We should write 0 in that place. Okay, now we can do the next one. 80 plus 3 means 1's place and 10's place. That is 80 plus 3 is 83. Then what to do? Yes, we should put a decimal point. Next we have to check whether the places are given or not. This is 10th because the denominator is 10. Here the denominator is 1000, therefore 1000th place is also given. Here all the places are given or not? No. Here 100th place is not given, so that we should write here 0. 100th place is not given. In between these two places we should write 0. Now already we have written the whole number 83. 10th place 6 is there. 100 it is not given. Write here 0 and 1000 it is 4. Here the answer is what? 83.604. Now we can do the next one. Look here. Here whole number, only one whole number is given, that is 1's place. Next 9 by 100, which place is this? Yes, 100th. Okay. Next 1 by 1000 is 1000th place is also given. In between this, any place is left? Yes. Here 10th place is left. So that immediately after the decimal point, we should write 0. Okay, now we can write first whole number 4 only. Just after that, put the decimal point. Next 10th place should be there. It is not given here. We can write 0. 100th it is 9 and 1000 it is 1. Here the answer is what? 4.091. Okay, now we can do the last one. 2 by 10, 3 by 100, 5 by 1000. 10th place is there, 100th place is there, and 1000th place is also there. But here whole number is given or not? No. If whole number is not given, what we have to do? Yes, we should write there 0. Whole number we should write 0. Just after that put the decimal point. 10th place 2 is there, 100th 3 is there, 1000th 5 is there. Dear children, I think all of you could understand how to find the standard form of a given expanded form. Okay? Comparison of decimals. When we compare two decimal numbers, first itself we should change the unlike decimals into like decimal. If the given decimal is unlike, then only we have to change this into like decimal. After that, first compare its whole number part only. If the whole number parts are equal, then only you have to compare its decimal part. If the whole number parts are different, first you should compare this whole number and the decimal number with a bigger whole number is bigger number. That's all. If the whole number parts are equal, then you have to compare its decimal part. In decimal part, first compare 10th place. If the 10th places are different, from there itself you can compare. If it is equal, move on to the next place, that is 100th. Again we have to continue the same 100th place, compare the number with the bigger. If it is different, the number with the bigger 100th place is bigger number itself. Okay, we can do some question. First one, 0.35. Here 0.43. In both these, number of decimal places are same. Means these decimals are like decimals. We need not change. Now compare its whole number. Both are 0. Equal. Okay. Next compare 10th. 10th place 3 is smaller than, with the same place you should compare from the second number. 3 is smaller than 4. Means the first number 0.35 is smaller than 0.43. Now we can continue the same in other questions also. First 0.6, 0.60. Here only one digit, here two are there. Then what to do? How can we change this into like decimal? Yes, put one 0 here. By putting 0, its value does not change. Now you compare whole number part. Both are equal. Next 10th place, 6, both are equal. 100th place, both are equal. Means both these decimal numbers are equal. Okay. Next one, 0.25, 1.25. The decimals are like decimal. Compare whole number 0 and 1. You know that 0 is smaller than 1. If the whole number parts are different, you need not compare its decimal part. Okay. Next one, 9.89, 8.888. Here 3 digits, 3 decimal places. Here 2 only, put 1 0. Okay. Now we can compare its whole number 9 and 8. You know that 9 is greater than 8. If the whole numbers are different, you need not compare its decimal part. Okay. Next 0.86, 0.9. The decimals are unlike. Change this into like decimal. Then what to do? Compare its whole number 0, 0. Both are equal. Next compare its 10th place. 8 and 9. You know that 8 is smaller than 9. Okay, therefore 0.86 is smaller than 0.90. Okay. Next is the last one, 16.002, 16.02. Here 3 decimal places, here 2 only, put 1 more. Now both the decimal numbers have 3 decimal places. Now compare its whole number 16, 16, both are equal. Compare its 10th place 0, 0, both are equal. Next compare its 100th 0 and 2. 0 is smaller than 2. Okay. I think all of you could understand how to compare decimal numbers. Okay.